Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel GIX. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines in Excel. We'll use an example with share prices to demonstrate this. Removing grid lines can give your worksheet a cleaner, more professional look. Let's get started. First, open the Excel worksheet where you want to remove the grid lines. Here I have a table listing some shares and their current prices. As you can see, the grid lines are visible in the worksheet, making it look a bit cluttered. Next, go to the View tab in the Excel ribbon. This is where you can control the display settings for your worksheet. In the View tab, you'll see a section called Show. In the Show section, you'll find a checkbox labeled Grid Lines. Simply uncheck this box to remove the grid lines from your worksheet. As soon as you uncheck the box, you'll notice that the grid lines disappear from your worksheet, giving it a clean, grid-free look. There's also another way to remove grid lines using the Page Layout tab. Let's take a look at that method. In the Page Layout tab, you'll find a section called Sheet Options. In the Sheet Options section, uncheck the View checkbox under Grid Lines to remove the grid lines from your worksheet. Again, you'll see the grid lines disappear, giving your worksheet a cleaner appearance. Now let's see how our example table of shares and their current prices looks without the grid lines. As you can see, the data appears more polished and easier to read. And that's it. You've successfully removed grid lines from your Excel worksheet. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in the presentation of your data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.